Hello everyone and welcome to Quiz Kingdom. We're back with a new challenge. Would you rather? Fast food restaurant edition. We have 50 questions and you only have 7 seconds to answer. If you're ready, hit the subscribe button for more fun games like this. Now, let's get started. Would you rather choose McDonald's or Burger King? Do you prefer to eat at Pizza Inn or Buffalo Wild Wings? Taco Bell or Zaxby's? Would you rather eat taco or chicken? Would you prefer Five Guys or Shake Shack? KFC or Popeyes? Which fast food restaurant do you like more? What's your choice? Pizza Hut or Domino's? Chocolate pizza or pineapple pizza? Would you rather eat at In-N-Out Burger or Tim Hortons? Starbucks or Dunkin' Donuts? Next, do you prefer Jollibee or Carl's Jr.? This one is too hard to decide. Quiznos or Papa John's? Would you prefer Panera Bread or Little Caesars? Pick one, kick one. Sonic Drive-In or Jack in the Box? Dairy Queen or Baskin-Robbins? Would you rather eat Dairy Queen Blizzard or Baskin-Robbins ice cream? What's your choice? Do you prefer Del Taco or Hardee's? Chicken taco or chicken burger? Einstein Bros Bagels or Red Lobster? Would you rather go to Arby's or Jimmy John's? What would you choose? Jamba Juice or Smoothie King? Would you rather drink juice or smoothie? Eating at Raising Cane's or eating at Pollo Campero? Would you rather eat pizza at Marco's Pizza or Blaze Pizza? White Castle versus Mrs. Fields. Which restaurant's better? Pick one, kick one. Cinnabon or Krispy Kreme? Which fast food is more yummy? Cinnamon rolls or donut? Would you rather eat at Subway or Chick-fil-A? Do you prefer eating buffalo chicken wrap or grilled chicken sandwich? The Cheesecake Factory or Jamba? Would you prefer Quiznos or California Pizza Kitchen? Cold Stone Creamery or Ben & Jerry's? Would you rather go to Long John Silver's or Jersey Mike's? Would you rather have a meal at IHOP or Denny's? Have a French toast or have a French slam? A&W Restaurant or Boston Market? Do you prefer Chili's or Nathan's Famous? Would you rather eat at Peter Piper Pizza or eat at Olive Garden? Would you rather go to Auntie Anne's or Pretzel Maker? Whataburger or Carvel? What's your choice? Would you prefer Smashburger or Church's Texas Chicken? Checkers or Culver's? Which fast food restaurant do you like more? Next choice, spring rolls or chicken tenders? Would you rather pick Firehouse Subs or Bojangles? Sbarro or El Pollo Loco? Do you prefer Moe's Southwest Grill or Church's Chicken? Have a meal at the Habit Burger Grill or have a meal at Potbelly Sandwich Shop? Would you rather choose Wing Street or Wingstop? What's your choice in this video? Please comment right below to let us know. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel Quiz Kingdom for more fun quizzes like this. And see you in the next video.